US President has said that his government will impose 25% tariff on goods imported from India. Not only this, he has also directed giant IT companies to not hire Indian experts. He said that employing Indian experts deprives US skilled individuals. 25% tariff imposition has jolted India. It shaped the gesture of Indian PM Nerandera Modi bent, which used to be very proudly upward while meeting foreign counterparts in international meetings. Question arises: what is main cause root behind all this? The big reason got evident when President Trump on his Truth Social platform said that when everyone wants Russia to stop the killing of Ukraine, India is buying Russian oil. So he said starting from the 1st of August prnalty would be imposed on India. India has established oil refinery, which is meant only for Russian oil. This refined oil is being exported to some parts of Europe at enhanced price. Now, this penalty and tariff will injure India's GDP. The Indian corporate side seems to take back its threads from the Modi, leaving him alone, and will pressurize him to negotiate